Excuse me.
Butt to the face. Here we go.
Stop distracting me with your cuteness. I gotta get to work.
No, eat my head.
It's time for dessert.
Cutest chaos ever.
Let's get some more. Oops. Parkour! Michael, parkour! 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 Street! Parkour! Parkour! This is Parkour, internet sensation of 2004, and it was in one of the Bond films. It's pretty impressive. The goal is to get from point A to point B as creatively as possible. So technically they are doing parkour as long as point A is delusion and point B is the hospital. Luke, have you gone crazy? You guys just babies. Anyway, I'm just finishing up the electric fence here. We're going to have a take 2 today of training them with the electric fence because last time didn't go so good. So I've added a couple extra lines. There's one down here. In hindsight, once we got them here, we realized there was just way too much room between the ground. They could easily get out of there between the ground and this first little rope here, but I added this one. I'm about to add this one and go all around this. It's not a small plot, but we think the babies are going a little stir crazy. Yep, right there. It's evidence. We've had them for 3 days now, and we just haven't had time to get back to trying the electric fence training with them. But we definitely want to get them out of this little square that we've built for them out of sheer panic the day that we had them and felt wildly unprepared. You guys ready for round 2? If you guys can stay in, you don't have to stay in this little fence anymore. I want you guys to have your freedom. Share with you, little baby. You just baby. Play with these little guys all day. Stop distracting me with your cuteness. I gotta get to work. What do you need, buddy? What would you like? You're the cutest little thing alive. You know that? You know that, buddy? You're so sweet. Eh? I got so much to say. So much to say. All right, Daddy's got to work. I'm sorry. I gotta go. Alley-oop. I'm sorry. What are you up to, gorgeous?
Hi, baby.
Hey.
I am giving the babies some fresh hay. This is the same sort of shredded hay that we use in our chicken coop. It's shredded in such a way that it composts really quickly, and that way we can kind of keep adding this in here as bedding. They also are enjoying, and no plastic, sir, eating it, and it's something to jump on. So yay.
It's a nice jungle gym.
So,
multi-purpose hay.
Yeah, we'll probably add this every day for about a week and then shovel it out, add it to our compost, and use it next year when we're starting the gardens again, or possibly even use it to cover up some of the fields before we close down for the winter. But this is just to keep their little house fresh and dry.
Sounds good.
I love you, baby.
I think they appreciate it.
I love you, baby. Excuse me.
Your mom loves you, baby.
Butt to the face.
Butt to the face. That's love right there.
Excuse me, bud.
I'm gonna go pick up some poop.
Okay. Get through it.
Some neighbor goat poop. Oh yeah, look at all those jelly beans. Yep. Be living the farmer's life. Excuse me. That's my hat. Little Miss Missy. Oof. She's like, I'm not sure why you have straw on your head, cause like we eat that. So nom 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 nom. Can I help you? Oh, boop. I love you, little Miss Lady. You want to be a cowgirl? Funk. It's the farmer's life. Oh, so itchy. Oh, that's nice. Got a nice special delivery of goats, baby?
Get your goats, here we go. Hey, I love you. What? I love you.
Oh.
It's the love train.
Start a love train. Whee!
It's time for some bottles.
There you go, my love.
Oh boy.
You got your boy.
Oh boy.
Or do I got the boy? I got the girl.
Oh, he's gonna do it from the log.
Oh, wow.
And Teddy too. Everybody's a part of this.
That's nice.
Every night, supper time, we be together.
It's family time.
Teddy, good boy. He making sure the babies are okay. Boy, in 3 months, we became farmers.
Sure did.
Holy moly.
Feeding our goats every night.
Selling corn from a little farm stand.
Finally at a point where we're maintaining and not having crazy amounts of work every day, and we're finally getting paid for what we've done.
A little bit.
A little bit. A little bit is still some. We've only just begun.
Oh, did you fall down, Luke? Come here. Good boy.
We've done pretty damn well, I'd say.
We love these babies. We're actually looking to get a third doeling.
Yeah, we are.
Another female bottle baby, because we figured while we're raising up 2, we might as well raise up 3 because we want at least 2 females to milk. Not really going to cost anymore to have just one more, and we're already doing all the work, so having a third isn't really going to change much. So I put out some feelers looking for another.
Kind of extremely, there's kind of a surprising amount of like lack of work.
It's easier than
I
you
don't know how to
thought.
phrase it, no, but like
Yeah, I think it's easier than we
it's
thought.
way easier than I thought. Yeah.
And that's nice because everything
You-
here on the farm has been harder than we thought.
Yeah.
Raising bottle baby goats is actually a little bit easier than we
pretty
thought.
easy. It's it's a little scary trying
got
to
it
get
all.
them to test out the electric
Oh, Teddy
fence, but they've shown some real strides, and you can tell they start to get close to the fence and they like sense it. Take a minute, assess, and then step back from it. So we praise them every time.
Mm-hmm. Teddy loves his siblings.
Yeah.
Like you can see, there's like
How happy this
no
boy is.
no aggression between them or him. I think just like with the chickens, like pretty much from day one, he was just like, I'm cool with it, whatever.
Yeah.
Everything we bring to Teddy, he's just like somehow
He's like,
amazingly cool with.
I approve.
He likes to kind of watch over them, and he's like their big brother, you know? In fact, I think he really wants to play with them, but they're not quite there yet. We've had a couple moments where it looked like it might happen. He's bigger and he is beast, and they are livestock. It is different.
Hi, you.
Leia is the strong-headed boss babe. She's a little bit harder to break in. She's super sweet.
She's so sweet and loves your kisses.
Surprisingly, as delicate as they look, little goats are very strong, and their
Like to be a little
hooves,
roughed up.
oof, they love to body slam you and nuzzle their little tiny horns into you, parkour off your back. But we love it. Every day we're getting closer to them being able to just enjoy their pasture here and get out of their small little kid pen, but we're not quite there yet. Today, neither one of them ran out of the electric fence when we've been training, and they both stayed inside. So I think that there's been enough to show them that it's scary and they don't want to do that again. So they're learning to, as you say, respect the electric fence. Turns out goats actually can learn their names. They're very, very smart. So we're doing our best to make sure we say their names as often as we can. Right, Miss Leia? Right, Miss Beautiful? Beautiful Princess Leia. Right now. No. Leia.
Also a straw hat because
Leia
it's delicious.
Organa. No, eat my hat.
It's time for dessert.
Just get under.
It's dessert time. Oh God.
Oh boy, it's happening.
Oh.
Miss Leia. No, we don't eat the hat of Mama. No.
I do.
I give up.
I is boss.
I give up. You're too cute.
You burp. Chaos, people.
Best chaos. Cutest chaos ever. We love you.
One big happy family, huh?
Everybody's so sweet. Yes.
Well, we've had our baby goats for about a week now, and we thought, let's get some more.
Oops.
Oops.